What's up, Blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this bomb juicy twist out using my Ayurvedic Chebe Butter. I'm starting off on freshly cleansed and deep conditioned hair. Check out my previous wash day videos to see what I used, but my hair is feeling moisturized and is ready to style. To style my hair today, I'll be using my DIY Ayurvedic Chebe Butter. I used this butter a few months back in my fall moisturizing routine, and y'all wanted a video on this recipe, so let me show you how I made it. For this recipe, I'm starting off with the key ingredient, this amazing Chebe leave-in butter from the Malinis factory. I attended the Hue Affair in Brooklyn, New York of September last year and picked up this product. It has amazing ingredients like shikakai, ginger, and of course, Chebe. Next, I'm using the Natural Hair Ayurvedic Superfood Treatment Blend from Sotanicals for additional herbal goodness. This blend can be mixed with water to create a hair mask or added to oils and conditioners. To combine everything, I'll be using organic Jamaican black castor oil from Rooted Treasure that is traditionally made in Jamaica with no salt added. Jamaican black castor oil helps to thicken, strengthen, and nourish your scalp and hair. I love the smell of this oil. It has a rich, smoky scent and a thick consistency. I'm also adding in aloe vera to this recipe for its conditioning and nourishing properties. Aloe vera is a powerhouse that contains many active ingredients and minerals that help to strengthen your hair. Lastly, I'll be using fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is packed with iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair. Fenugreek also contains phytochemicals that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Alright y'all, to start off this recipe, you want to use a clean airtight container. I'm adding in about a cup of the Chebe leave-in butter. This butter on its own is very thick. One of the reasons why I created this recipe was to see how I could apply the product to my hair without it being so thick. I have fine strands, and although I often like to use thick butters and cream, I prefer my styling products to have a little bit more of a looser consistency. Now I'm adding in a generous amount of the organic Jamaican black castor oil. When I made this recipe for the first time, I used my amla fenugreek oil. That oil was much lighter in terms of consistency compared to the Jamaican black castor oil. If you're looking to recreate this recipe and not wanting to use a thicker oil, try a lighter oil like almond, sunflower, or olive oil. Also, keep in mind that the more oil you use, the thinner the consistency will be. I went with Jamaican black castor oil this time around just to see which texture I would prefer. I think if you're looking to seal in moisture, use a thicker oil in the winter and a lighter oil in the summer. After combining the Chebe leave-in and Jamaican black castor oil, I mixed everything together, and this is what we're working with. The butter is smooth and has a creamy consistency. Feel free to stop here if you're satisfied with the current texture and ingredients used. But if you'd like to add some extra oomph to your butter, use a tablespoon of the Ayurvedic superfood, a tablespoon of fenugreek, and aloe vera powder. After adding the powders, you'll notice that the texture of the butter is starting to change. If you want to make the butter a little bit thicker, add more powder. But keep in mind, the more powder you use, the more the consistency will change. Make sure to combine everything thoroughly. After a few minutes, this is the final texture of our butter. Y'all, how good does this butter look? Let me know what you think of this mixture so far and if you would try it. Unfortunately, you can't eat this butter, but it's still a yummy treat for your hair. Now that you've seen how to make the Ayurvedic Chebe Butter, it's time to style. I usually style my hair with 2 braids when using this product, but I wanted to see if I could do a twist out with it, especially with the texture being different than last time. I'm making sure to finger detangle after spraying my hair with warm water and using a small amount of the butter. You don't need a lot of this product because it's very concentrated. You want to use enough to cover your strands, but you don't want to use the same amount like you would a deep conditioner. When using this butter, I don't add any special leave-in conditioners to my hair. I'll usually moisturize with a hair tea or plain warm water, then apply the butter. I haven't tried using a leave-in conditioner with this butter, so I'm not sure how the combination will work out, but if I do try it, I'll let you know. So I'm going through the process of working in sections, moisturizing my hair, then finger detangling before using a small amount of the butter. The twists are medium size, and when I'm all done setting the twist in, I'm using my Amla Rose Oil to oil my scalp. The video on how to make this Amla Rose Oil will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. I've used this Amla Rose Oil in my deep conditioners, and I've also used it while styling my hair. My twists are feeling and looking super moisturized, and as a final touch, I'm using small perm rods to add some curls to my ends and to keep them tucked away. After letting my hair dry for a few hours, I'm tying my hair down using my satin scarf and bonnet to protect my hair at night and to keep the style from unraveling. So it's been a couple days since I installed the twists, and now it's time to take them down. My hair is looking good, and I'm taking the perm rods down one at a time. Y'all, look at how bomb my twists are looking so far. The curls at the end are so cute, and I kind of don't want to unravel them. I didn't add anything to my hands before unraveling the twist. I kind of just wanted to see how my hair would turn out on its own, but feel free to add some oil to your hair or a serum to your hands before taking your hairstyle down. So my hair is feeling soft and moisturized, but I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of the takedown process and come in and check in with y'all later in the video. So this is the final look of my twist out. I picked and fluffed to shape it the way I like, but this is what we're working with. I added this little clip here just to pin my hair back. I don't like my hair in my face all day, so if I just have this side down and this side pulled back, I'm all good. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my way to work and just wanted to show you guys how I take my twist down and pick and fluff. The way I'm going to preserve this twist out is by doing chunkier twists at night and then taking them down in the morning. If you're interested in seeing the whole process of how I preserve my twist Twistout, go ahead and check out this video up in the cards right here. It's super simple to preserve the Twistout, and usually I can get 4 to 5 days out of my hairstyle, and that is pretty bomb because Monday through Friday I need my hair to look on point for work. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be rocking this for the rest of the week. If my hair's not looking too good towards the end of the week, I'm just going to put it up in a bun. But yeah, so far so good for day one hair. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this Twistout, the butter that I use, and everything. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.